नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये अतिशय महत्त्वाच्या आणि मोजक्या मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चनवर विचार करणार आहोत. ते असे प्रश्न आहेत की साधारणपणे JEE मेन असेल, नीट असेल किंवा स्टेट लेवलची MST CET एक्झामिनेशन असेल, या परीक्षांना वारंवार विचारताना पाहिलं जाते किंवा तो जो कन्सेप्ट आहे त्या कन्सेप्टवर हमखास प्रश्न परीक्षेला विचारलेले पाहायला मिळतात. आणि त्यामुळं आज आपण अशा मोजक्याच परंतु अतिमहत्त्वाच्या प्रश्नावर या व्हिडिओमध्ये चर्चा करणार आहोत. अतिमहत्त्वाचे मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स आहेत. Which one of the following metals is the weakest reducing agent? Options: potassium, lithium, rubidium, sodium. So you have to find out the correct answer option. Here solution is given. Standard reduction potentials respectively are given. The smaller the reduction potential, greater is the reducing power. Hence lithium is the strongest reducing agent and sodium is the weakest reducing agent among the given metals. So see electrochemical series in textbook. Second reason is lithium ion is small in size on account of which more solvent molecules can easily surround around the cationic pair. So large amount of hydration energy is released, and on account of large amount of hydration energy makes it strongest reducing agent in spite of its highest ionization enthalpy. So the correct answer is C, sodium. Inert gases have positive electron gain enthalpy. Its correct order is, in 4 options the order is given with increasing order here. So you have to find out the correct answer option of this multiple choice question. Before you should know some things. Now see, this is group 18: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Helium 48 kilojoule per mole electron gain enthalpy, neon 116 kilojoule per mole, argon 96 kilojoule per mole, and that of xenon is 77 kilojoule per mole. So from these values we can select the correct order. So this is the correct answer option of this question. The total number of lone pairs of electrons on oxygen atom of ozone is, options 4, 6, 7, 8. Here see the structures, resonating structures of ozone, and if you observe there are 6 lone pairs of electrons. So correct answer is B, 6. Which one of the following is the strongest base in aqueous solution? Trimethylamine, aniline, dimethylamine, methylamine. Strongest base in aqueous solution. See the structures of all given options, and if you observe the pKb value, the pKb value of dimethylamine is 3.27. So this is the strongest one. So basicity is directly proportional to plus I effect and inversely proportional to the minus I effect and steric hindrance. So basicity of aniline is minimum among all 4 due to minus I effect of the ring. So benzene ring is electron withdrawing. So answer is C, dimethylamine. The number of given orbitals which have electron density along the axis is, these are the given orbitals and options are 4, 5, 6, 7. So from these orbitals you have to find the exact number. Solution: see the diagram, Px, Pz and Py, the lobes lie on the axis. So out of given 3 are the orbitals, p orbitals. Now see the d orbitals. From this diagram we can say that dz square and dx square minus y square lobes lie on the axis. Okay, so the total orbitals in 5. The process in which solvent molecules pass through semi-permeable membrane towards solvent side is called electroosmosis, reverse osmosis, osmosis, or electrophoresis. So you should know all the meanings of the given terms. For example, you take electroosmosis. So the charged particles or particularly colloidal particles under the influence of an electric field moves or migrate towards the oppositely charged electrode. This is electrophoresis. And in electroosmosis, what happens? Only dispersion medium moves under the influence of an electric field. And in osmosis, you know that. And this is reverse osmosis. Which one among the following is thermoplastic polymer? Neoprene, polystyrene, polyester, urea, formaldehyde, resin. So among these you have to find the correct answer option. Here neoprene is a elastomer, polystyrene is thermoplastic, where polyester is a fiber, and urea formaldehyde resin is nothing but thermosetting polymer. So from this we can say that the correct answer option of this MCQ is polystyrene. The major component of which of the following ore is a sulfide based mineral? Calamine, siderite, malachite, zinc blend. So you should know the chemical formula of these minerals or ores. Calamine, zinc carbonate, siderite, FeCO3, malachite. This is the chemical formula of malachite, and zinc blende, zinc sulfide. So the correct answer option of this question is which one? D. That is nothing but zinc blend. Now test your knowledge, use your power. The element evolving two different gases on reaction with constant sulfuric acid is phosphor, sulfur, copper and carbon. So you have to find out the correct answer. Thanks for watching.